From the innovators who created the world's driest bath mat comes the world's cleanest dish drying system. Isn't it time your dish rack caught up with the rest of your kitchen? Life has changed since the 50s. We no longer source our vegetables from a can. Women are portrayed in roles outside the kitchen, and there's an app for everything. So why is the dish rack stuck in the past? The old school dish rack was designed to drip dry plates, cups, and silverware, leaving puddled water and bacteria behind. Why are we still using the same rusty metal baskets and funky smelling kitchen towels to dirty just washed dishes? Built upon the enthusiasm for the Dori bath mat, we created the world's first mold-free dish drying system. The Dori dish rack and DishPad are the first kitchen products to integrate our trademark Diomat technology. Made of diatomaceous earth, or fossilized algae, Diomat prevents bacteria by dispersing the water throughout for rapid evaporation. The Dori dish rack is designed for your lifestyle. Whether you're an aspiring chef working on your mad knife skills, a new mom with an endless supply of bottles, or a fitness enthusiast with containers and shakers for every activity. The side rails accommodate modular accessories customized to fit your most frequently used dishes. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame holds a cutting board with plenty of space for larger pots, pans, and bowls. Have heavy-duty cookware and ceramics? Stack away without bowing or bending. The sustainable, food-safe Diomat evaporates moisture from the base in seconds. How about those occasions when you don't need a full rack, but simply a sanitary space to dry your dishes while protecting the countertops? We've got you covered with the Dori foldable drying pad. The eco-chic Dori system instantly eliminates pooling water, a perfect replacement for your arsenal of squishy foam offenders and perpetually smelly hand towels. The silicone wrapping helps promote 360-degree airflow while protecting your delicate items. When you're done drying, just fold and store. A team of researchers, designers, engineers, and germaphobes. Dori has spent the last 10 months brainstorming, prototyping, and testing to create the perfect dish drying system. We invite you to join in our excitement to modernize kitchens and bring the solution to life. We appreciate and want to thank the community of backers who help make our visions a reality. So we're offering exclusive discounted pricing on the Dori dish drying system for this campaign. Our vision is to eliminate unwanted moisture and combat mold in every home with eco-chic, sustainable design. We hope to be invited into yours. Please help us reinvent the dish rack by backing our Kickstarter today.
Accidents happen, so you need a better way to clean. Introducing OmiSonic, the wireless ultrasonic washer. OmiSonic is a washing machine for virtually anything, including fruits, vegetables, delicate fabrics, jewelry, silverware, and more. It even comes with portable paper soap. The app comes with unique settings for specific items, and you can even make your own. Inside OmiSonic is a powerful yet compact ultrasonic motor. Simply soak the item in water, insert OmiSonic, then push start on the app. Once activated, it generates microscopic air bubbles in the water that collapse and create powerful jet streams that remove dirt and bacteria. For small items, OmiSonic saves money by using less water and energy than standard washing machines. Before OmiSonic, cleaning jewelry could be tricky.
Honey, where's your wedding ring?
But now you can wash those hard-to-reach spots without worrying about damage. And OmiSonic is wireless. Throw it in a bag, in a suitcase, or your pocket, and you're good to go. OmiSonic is made for travelers, especially ones who want to keep clean.
Dad, what?
Just find a body of water, put it in, and you've got a portable washer anywhere you go.
Whether at home or on the go, OmiSonic provides you with an effective, easy way to clean the things that you need, all in the palm of your hand. So if you really want to clean up your act, back this project to receive the world's first smart ultrasonic washer.
This is okay, we'll give him a second. Alright, you ready? Alright, this is Jamie. And like most people, he starts his day off with the shower. Jamie's showers have been pretty special lately. And that all has to do with this guy, the Orijin Sponge. The Orijin... The Orijin Sponge is 100% natural, antimicrobial, and infused with bamboo charcoal. There's not a single pinch of plastic in its creation, making bacteria and other nasty musty smells in your sponge a thing of the past. Speaking of past, it wasn't always like this for Jamie. Jamie used to shower with the most widely used sponge in the market today, the popular loofah puff. But not only do loofah puffs and other sponges made from plastic take over 100 years to fully decompose, they don't absorb water, are harsh on the skin, and are a wild playground for smells and bacterial growth. Jamie was pretty much sudsing up with the glorified plastic bag, but we'll leave the past in the past. Made from konjac plant root, the Orijin Sponge is 100% natural and fully biodegradable. Because our sponge is infused with bamboo charcoal, it's antimicrobial, helping prevent the growth of bacteria and those nasty, musty odors from developing at all. Its unique design helps move water from across its surface while gently exfoliating all skin types, helping remove dry, dead skin. Its ergonomic design feels natural in your hands and all up on your body. So, we invite you to try it out for yourself. Feel the difference of what could very well be the only sponge you'll want to rub your body with again. The Orijin Sponge by Orijin Design Company.